welcome to a One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we're with the Ferrari Car Collection Magazine. This is number 9, the Ferrari F50 in a beautiful yellow. Looks like the picture on the front of this cover is actually the convertible version. I have a hard top, but let's actually go and have a look at this. Now we do get a 143 scale car. I am going to put this aside and come back to it towards the end with closer view and put it on a turntable so we can get a all-around view. I'm going to quickly go through the magazine, not going to look at everything in super detail, but inside this magazine, or this issue, we get competition models, which is the 312 PP8, no, PPB. Production models is the Ferrari F50. The single seaters is the first world title 500 F2, and the F50 lines up against its rivals. Yeah, the different chapters. So one name, 2 destinies. The initials 312P identified 2 cars from the stable: the Prancing Horse 1969 3-litre V12 engine car and the 1971 3-litre 12-cylinder boxer car, named 312PB by journalists and fans. The former had the unremarkable career by Ferrari standards, but the latter enjoyed a run of spectacular victories. So we'll have a quick look at this. I think there is one that looks very similar to that from memory in the die-cast 143 of this collection. I've said it in most of these magazines that I've opened up so far, that if it's displayed in here or talked about, there is actually a model coming in that particular vehicle, which is awesome. At least that's what I've found so far. World of the Boxer. Look at that cutaway. This is a 60-degree V12 light alloy cylinder block and head, bore and stroke of 77 by 53.5, capacity of 2.989 cc or 2,900, so 3-litre. 3-litre V12. Power for the 312P was 430. For the 312PB was 460 brake horsepower at 11,200 RPM. Man, this thing would have been absolutely screaming down the road. Stopped in its tracks. Ferrari F50 Racer cancelled. It would have been too difficult a project, and it's better than we concentrate on our resources on the Formula One competition. This is how Ferrari explained its hugely controversial decision to abandon the F50 racing car program in October of '96. There were a lot of F40s in the races, but obviously the F50, I've seen some F50s in there, but they may not have been officially supported. Yeah. Strictly limited to 349 cars, even with a price tag of 800 million lire. They would have to fight to get their hands on them. Yeah. Only the wealthy need apply. Absolutely. Well, that's starting to become the stage for any Ferrari these days, except your model collection, which is exactly where I'm sitting at. The awesome F50. We've got a folder in yellow, convertible, very nice. I do have some 118 scale Ferrari F50s as well. One Maestro, one Borrego. I will show them off in another video later. So horsepower on the 512 TR, 428. 512M was 440. 456 GT was 442. The F40 was 478. And the F50 512 horsepower. Woohoo. Actually, we do get a fold out there with even more cars. Top speed. F50 is 325, 1 kilometer per hour faster than an F40. Okay. Still fast. Very nice. Convertible version of the F50 with its detachable roof was modified to guarantee protection even in the event of a rollover. These reinforced roll bars show a clear racetrack influence and prevent the driver and passengers' heads being exposed to danger. Yes. So I've got one convertible, one hardtop in 118 scale as well. a racing car for the road, essentially, yep. So what have we got? We've got a 65 degree V12, 4.7 litre. 5 valves per cylinder, twin overhead camshaft, 520 brake horsepower at 8,500 RPM. Nice. So it goes 203 mile an hour, or 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, so 0 to 60, in 3.87. All right. First world title. Alfa Romeo announced that they would be withdrawing from the Formula One Championship, prompting the FIA to admit the smaller and lighter Formula 2 cars, opening the door to Ferrari's F500 F2. Yeah, okay. Do have one of those in the set too, yeah. Poised and powerful and reliable. Look at that. So you got your fuel tank there, drivers basically in and feet almost underneath the engine there. Man, there was not a lot to these cars, was it? Woohoo. And I don't think they wore helmets then. They just had like leather flying helmets to prevent their hair from flying everywhere. Victory with Ascari. Nice. So this was a 4-cylinder, 1.985cc with 185 brake horsepower at 7,500. Wow. Yeah. All right, next magazine, we get the 575M Maranello model. The year is the 2002. That looks white. I believe it's actually silver. That would be this magazine here. But in this picture, it looks very white. I'll have to check that, but I don't think I've got any white Ferraris. Only, except a rally car version of a 308 GT, I think. But we will get to those in the future. All right, let's have a look at the model car now. Have a look at this in a lot closer view. Definitely the traditional lines of an F50. And look, to be honest, this model is quite well done. You've got your little Ferrari center cap. Oh, it's not going to actually focus. Let's put it there. There we go. And it looks like we do have some disc brakes in there with very light coloured calipers. Silver calipers. Okay. Front and rear. We have Ferrari badges on the side. Now, you do have open windows in these. I don't... Oh, can we get that to focus in? Let's try that again. No, it's going to be too difficult. But we do have a silver gear knob in there. Let's try this side. Red inserts on black seats. Very nice. And on the front, we have prancing horse on the grille and the Ferrari badge up on the nose there. Large intakes there. Well done. Looks like we've got a grey dash there and the large single wiper. Got your glass canopy for the engine as well, with a black engine, and it looks like I can see the exhaust pipes. Sorry, the mufflers. Well, yeah, probably on the exhaust pipes. And the lights down the bottom at the back there. The 4 silver pipes at the back. Now, just move the whole camera there. Ferrari F50, 143 made in China. That's all we get underneath. Not a lot. Although, 3 screws in this thing will come apart. Don't think I need to detail too much inside though, because it's already really well done. I like this. We even have a mirror there. In yellow. Does it have silver? Oh my god, it does too. So the mirrors are silver here, but in that center one is painted with a bit of silver there. Oh, do you think I'm going to get that to focus? There we go. Very well done. I'll put that on the turntable. We'll have a look at that at the end of the video here. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Get that to focus. No. All right. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Have a great day. Bye.